And our honorable guest, the President of the Republic of Kenya and Commander-in-Chief of its Defense Forces, His Excellency, Dr. William Samoei Ruto, and First Lady, Mrs. Rachel Ruto.
בבקשה לשבת. Hi everybody. Good evening, ladies.
First Lady, Mrs. Michal Herzog, dear guests of... It is with great pleasure to welcome all of you, Mar Yitzchak Herzog, and to start us off, His Excellency, Dr. William Samoei Ruto, to give his address.
I have my own personal little gift for you, a beautiful new version of the Bible in English, with interpretations in English, which I present to you with my own dedication and my own affection.
Thank you. Thank you.
The love for Kenya goes on. Friendships, even in politics, sometimes have friendships. Yeah.
This is a specifically strong, very strong one. I'm happy that I still have the chance to enjoy it. Thank you for coming to the show.
Before you leave. We will. We're going to try to do a leaving thing. So we go. Say goodbye.